Sea level rise will continue as temperatures increase, and a place of interest that is already affected and will continue to be affected is the Netherlands and many low-lying countries on the coast. Sea level rise is caused by the thermal expansion of water and melting of glaciers. It is virtually certain that sea level rise this century and beyond will pose a great challenge to coastal communities, infrastructure, and ecosystems, from increased inundation, more frequent extreme coastal flooding, erosion of coastal landforms, and saltwater intrusion within coastal rivers and aquifers. The Netherlands has been prone to flooding for years, and the reason it is so vulnerable is because much of the country lies below sea level. However, with vast flood protection projects and smart water management skills, the Dutch have been able to deal with the flooding. Increased river runoff, which leads to flooding, coastal erosion, and saltwater intrusion, are expected to increase in the future, but through nature conservation, freshwater storage, and urban renovation, Netherlands is dealing with the increase in sea level rise. However, the cost of sea level rise will be felt greatly by communities. Costs from sea level rise can cost Europe, without adaptations, could reach €17 billion per year by 2100.